Talk about online learning.
One of the biggest advantages of online learning is flexibility. You can attend classes from anywhere, from your home, your office, or even while traveling. You don't need to worry about commuting or traffic. That saves a lot of time and energy. For example, when I was preparing for IELTS myself, I joined an online course. I could watch the lessons anytime, pause and replay them, and study at my own pace. That made learning so much more convenient for me. Another great thing is the variety of courses available online. Whether you want to study business, design, programming, or language, you can find thousands of courses from all around the world, and many of them are free or much cheaper than traditional classes. It opens up opportunities for people who may not have access to a university or training center in their area. However, online learning also comes with some challenges. One major problem is the lack of face to face interaction. In a physical classroom, you can ask questions immediately, have discussions with your classmates, and feel more involved. But online, sometimes you feel isolated. It can also be difficult to stay focused, especially if you're studying from home and there are distractions around. I remember struggling with this myself. Sometimes I'd open a video lecture and then find myself checking social media or getting distracted by something else. Another issue is that not everyone has a good internet connection or a quiet place to study. In some parts of the world, students don't even have proper devices to attend online classes. So, while online learning is a great solution for many people, it's not perfect for everyone. Now, in the IELTS speaking test, if you get this topic, you can approach it from your personal experience or talk generally. You might be asked to describe a time when you took an online course or to give your opinion about the future of online education. It's a great chance to show your ability to compare, give examples, and express your views clearly. Try to use vocabulary like virtual classroom, remote learning, self paced courses, interactive content, or technical difficulties. And when comparing online and traditional education, use phrases like on the one hand, on the other hand, in contrast, or compared to. Also, try to add your opinion in a natural way. You could say something like, in my opinion, online learning is a great tool, especially for busy people or those living in remote areas, but it should not completely replace in person education. That kind of balanced view sounds mature and thoughtful in the IELTS exam. So, if you're preparing for IELTS, I highly recommend practicing this topic. Try to describe your experience with online learning. What course did you take? What were the benefits? What were the challenges? Think about how you felt, what you learned, and whether you'd recommend it to others. Speaking about something familiar makes it easier to sound natural and fluent. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to Ali Training's Official for more speaking practice videos, IELTS tips, and helpful English lessons. And remember, education is not just about where or how you study. It's about staying curious, motivated, and open to learning. Whether it's online or in a classroom, your commitment to improving yourself is what really matters. Keep going, keep learning, and believe in your ability to grow. See you in the next video.